guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing a quick get ready with me. I am getting ready to go to a concert, which is the Anthony Hamilton and Jasmine Sullivan concert. I had no time for background whatsoever. I'm kind of rushing, so I might be talking and I might be a little serious because I'm trying to rush and get this face together. I think I'm gonna do a simple my everyday go-to look with a wing liner, and I'm gonna try out this glitter for the first time. It's by NYX and it's a body liner, but I'm gonna use it on my eyes, so tune in. Well, keep watching actually. All right, so I'm gonna start off with fixing my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. I did my brows earlier in the day and I took a nap, and this one sort of just, you know, finessed its way to look mad crazy. Had to make sure my door is locked because I have brothers that are super annoying. This one, my freaking right brow never ever likes to cooperate with me whatsoever. It's so annoying, so annoying. And now you guys see why I always come on camera with my eyebrows done, because I don't have the patience. I really don't. Like, literally doing my brows will take a whole freaking hour. It's a shame. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. No, my SNS did not just crack on me. Yeah, today is a day. Oh my gosh, my SNS really cracked on me. So annoyed. And that is my little brother. Never seems to fail to make noise in this house. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is so funny. I never film on Saturdays just because there's so much going on in my house. So much going on. My eyebrows are not going to be even today. I see it already. I see it already. Nope, but I really love the way this one is looking, and I really want this one to, you know, have the same energy. And I don't know what's going on. Don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to bring you down a little bit and then, okay, pricey. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Dark 40. I don't think if I do a shadow, it'll probably be, I'm doing it so messy right now. It's probably just gonna be a quick brown. But a really light brown. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, my ugly beauty blender, do not laugh at it, and just blend it on my eyelid. I don't know where this country voice is coming from, but you know, don't mind me, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my CoverGirl Clean Professionals. I should be keeping track of the time right now. You don't want no creasing on that eyelid, honey. None. It's 6 o'clock and I have to be ready in 30 minutes. So we're gonna have to get this show on the road. I bought this new gel liner from Rimmel London in the color black. It's supposed to be waterproof. We shall see, because I'm going through my little motions tonight, and if Jasmine sing one of my songs, I just might be tearing a little bit. But I just bought it at Walgreens. Totally forgot how much I paid for it, but it was more than $5. Let's look at the consistency. This is what it looks like. Cute little crown at the top. Rimmel London. And then it comes with this brush right here, but I probably won't use this brush. This looks like a really good brush if you want to put it in the waterline, but to actually make a wing liner, I don't think I would use this. But we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Y'all gonna have to bear with me, because y'all already know liners is not my thing. I mean, we established this already, and we're gonna see how this goes, because that was the liquid liner. This is the gel. We're gonna see how gel works out for us. I don't know if I'm feeling that. Okay. Look, I just gave myself the Nicki Minaj liner. What if? Maybe if I thicken it up a bit. Seen in the last video how the foundation that I did happen to have was too red, but I'm going to be mixing them with my old foundation that I had to scrape out because I had to order the Queen collection online. For some reason they're not selling it at the pharmacies anymore. I don't know why, but it's so frustrating. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is me after I got enough of my old foundation that I scraped out. Oh, this should be enough though. This should be enough for the face. That looks so good. I freaking love this foundation, you guys. This foundation literally blends into your skin like milk. Love it. Can't wait. I'm about to order it in bulk, honey. Okay. I'm just gonna take this gold liner and test it out on my hand. This is so pretty. Yes, Papa. Auntie can't open her door right now. Alright guys, so my nephew is in here with me. He's watching his show, so if you guys hear his show, that's because he's watching it. So he's not distracting me. But I am gonna go in with my Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama mascara, my favorite thing on earth itself, and give me one layer. Ah! Did that just go on my lip for real? I'm just like having a day. I'm having a day. I don't understand. Alright guys, so with lashes, I ordered from this lash company called the Lash Box. You can follow them on Instagram at shopcamgalore. And I'll link all the information for these lashes in the description box. But these lashes are so cute. I got it in the style Bombshell and the style Paris. I can't wait to try out these lashes, guys. I am going to be using Paris tonight, so you guys will see how Paris looks on my eyes. I'm excited. And these are gorgeous. Okay. Freaking gorgeous, y'all. Do y'all see those lashes? Bruh. I will be ordering them in all this style. Highlighting process, I am going to be using chestnut and a little bit of the ColourPop.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bake, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with the finished product because I'm rushing and I gotta go. All right, I gotta go, y'all. Going to see Jasmine.